Welcome back to the channel. This week we're gonna do something a little bit different than what we've been doing.
Yeah, this week we're gonna take a break from all the welding and grinding and all that good stuff, and we're headed to the San Antonio Heatwave Car and Truck Show.
Yep, so we're gonna get out the old 77, shine her up, and we felt like this was a good opportunity to show it to you guys and take in a car show at the same time. We've had a lot of people wanting to see this thing, so.
Yeah, there's a lot of work over the years Holmes has put into this truck, and we're really excited to get it out there, kind of show it off to you, show it off to the public. So make sure you stay tuned and so you can see this thing from front to back. So we'll get this thing out and start getting it cleaned up and getting ready to go.
Yep, let's have some fun.
Yep, let's do it. Let's fire this sucker up, Holmes. Oh yeah. Sound of sweet, big block power right there.
All right, guys, so we made it to the San Antonio Heatwave Truck and Car Show. We got the old 77 shined up, looking good. And we're excited to give you all a little walk around and open it up and show you what's going on here.
Yeah, this thing is sweet, so y'all are in for a treat right here. 1977 Chevrolet K30.
Yeah.
Started as a cabin chassis, originally a old welding truck with a long wheelbase, like 84-inch cab to axle. Shortened the frame up on it, back down to basically your standard frame for an 8-foot bed. This sucker is mint now after years and years of hard manual labor and tons of money.
Yeah, lights are all off because we got to have batteries unhooked for the show, but usually we have cab lights when the door's open, but interior's all done.
Yeah, we got custom door panels covered in leather. Same with the dash. Sweet looking leather with the tan stitching.
Steering wheel.
Yep, steering wheel, everything's matched up. Just custom leather seats. So we got the 5-speed transmission. So, you know, these were 4-speed. So this has a, is that NV 4500?
Yep.
NV 4500 5-speed in it. Custom console built by the Homes.
It's got two
Housing
8W7s.
Yeah, I got housing 2 JL 8W7s. It's got the Holley EFI screen in the console here. Pretty sweet.
Got the Rev 8s here.
Some wet sounds.
Got their own amp.
Got to make sure
Swivel
you
them around.
jam out when you put this truck to work.
Mm-hmm.
Just don't do that very often, but
Got the old short hood.
yeah, this is what originally ended as a Lincoln short hood. Of course, obviously, for anybody that knows welding machines, this is not typical.
No, it's missing a gas tank,
Missing a frame.
a face, controls.
Yeah, it's missing pretty much everything. It's just an engine and a generator sitting here.
So most of that's in here now.
And all your controls have been moved into this cabinet. I don't know if you can see them in there. So you got water temperature, gauge, oil pressure, and then the switches to run it.
Yeah, got a start button, ignition. Again, battery's disconnected, choke. This is for the welding machine running off the passenger side saddle tank. That's where this goes. This drops down on the driver's side.
Of course, Line X, all the top surfaces.
Yep.
Back of the cab, protect everything. Right here where the big 35s throw up the rocks. Got to protect that.
Got toolboxes, standard stuff.
Typical pipeliner toolbox for the most part.
Yep.
Plenty of storage. Of course,
Around the back, we got color match mud flap
yep,
weights.
color match mud flap weights. Match the black on the truck.
Got a little step, climb up on this bad boy.
And then of course this is your lead well back here. A lot of your pipeline beds nowadays have lead wells on the driver's side, but with saddle tanks, plus how narrow it is, it's not really an option. So
I like the leads in the back anyway.
This is your lead well.
I think this is a nice setup, having lead well in the back.
Yeah.
Hoosier pole in the back.
Yeah, that's your Hoosier pole here. Yeah, it's a pretty sweet setup. Of course, your blacked out LED tail lights, inset into the bed, kind of that, yeah, old Corvette style, but they look pretty sweet. And of course, custom built surround for the radiator for the welding machine. That's all custom built there. Kind of that old school vibe. Sucker looks good.
Got a kick step, getting the ice chest.
Yep, gotta have that. Truck's high off the ground. Gotta be able to get up there, get that bottle of water out.
A spot for the umbrellas, 4-foot levels.
Of course, oxygen, acetylene, yep.
Acetylene kind of funky. It's got to lay back at an angle. But standing straight up, it was probably that tall, and you know, obviously that ain't gonna do.
Yeah.
Not that there's ever been a bottle in here or may ever be a bottle in here, but that's the way that would be if there ever was. This side,
Passenger side.
pretty similar to the other side.
Super sweet interior on this truck. I love this interior. Yep.
Now for the goodies.
And of course, this truck was built from the ground up, so stripped down to the frame. Everything went through from top to bottom. You know, new brakes, rebuilt differentials. I mean, you name it, it's been done. I mean, this is pretty much a fully restored truck.
Yeah, definitely. It's a pretty cool little detail here, at least I like it. I made myself a stencil, put 77 in behind that 502 badge. It's hard to tell. It's actually a metallic black. And I did the same thing with these hood stripes. Which inside it's hard to see, and once it's in the sunlight it looks pretty cool. But it's a nice, I think it's a custom touch, kind of understated, which I think suits me.
Yeah, it's definitely an awesome custom touch. Not something, you know, real subtle, but pretty cool nonetheless. Now for the good part.
There's the noisemaker.
Yeah. Fuel injected 502.
Poly EFI.
This thing is a beast. So we got a custom built fuse panel for relays and everything here. That was all hand built by the homes. Looks pretty sharp in there. Of course, the Holley EFI computer there on the firewall. This thing, you notice there's something missing over here. There's no big evaporator sticking out from the firewall. It's got vintage air in it.
Yeah, only way to go.
Yeah, for sure.
Got independent coils, which the only reason I did all the EFI stuff is because I intended to put twin turbos on this thing at one point, but
yeah, we may still do it.
Haven't got there yet.
Comes up in conversation fairly regularly, so
yeah,
stay tuned for that maybe. Custom built split intake tubes going to dual filter elements. You can see it's pretty dark down in there too, but yeah, so that's pretty sweet. So we'll redo that, clean it up a little bit, but nonetheless pretty awesome. Yeah, this thing is a beast. Put a lot of hard work into it. He's definitely got to be proud of what he's accomplished with it.
Yeah. All the people stopping by to look at it and appreciate it really make it all worthwhile. I got a new appreciation for it for sure.
Yeah.
Just getting to talk to everybody. This is the first show we've ever had it in, and I'd say it's been received really well.
Yeah,
so.
Yeah. There's been a lot of people stop. A lot of people spend a lot of time looking at it.
Mm-hmm.
People that you wouldn't expect to stop and really look at it have.
Yeah.
So it's definitely caught the attention of a lot of people here. So yeah, it's pretty awesome.
Yeah, pretty proud of it, and happy to share it with y'all. I hope y'all enjoy the video and the walk around of the truck as much as we did showing it to you.
Still got another day, so we'll see what tomorrow brings.
And awards are tomorrow too.
Yeah, awards are tomorrow.
I don't know that we'll win anything, but
Yeah.
it's exciting even having an opportunity.
It'll be interesting to see how that goes. You never know.
Yeah, never know.
All right, let's see what else we can find. Oh, what do we got, Holmes?
Did pretty good.
Check it out, first place.
Can't complain about that.
Yeah.
First place.
77 came through for him.
Yeah. 70s modified.
Yep.
Not too shabby. All right, guys, we got the 77 home. We got her bedded down for the winter, and we hope y'all enjoyed the episode and the car show and the 77. We sure enjoyed making this video for y'all. Thanks for all the support. Growth has been crazy. So if you did like it, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and don't forget about the monthly giveaway. It's the Stabila level, so type subscribe in the comments to win that, and we'll catch y'all on the next one. Thanks for watching.